Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Amazon Fire HD 8 Kids Pro. You need to begin by opening Play Store on an Android and App Store on Amazon. Then click on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use Send Anywhere, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow on an Android. Then in this window, choose Not Now if you wish to and close it by selecting OK. Now on Amazon, you can go through tutorial or click on Skip at the bottom left corner. Now tap on Grant Access at the bottom right corner again. Click on Allow in the pop-up. And finally select Receive at the bottom. Then click on Send at the bottom left corner of your Android if it's not already on. Finally, you can click on all of those dots from all of those categories and choose Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one photo, click on Send and tap on Got it. Now select one of those connection ways. If you wish to scan this QR code, select this scanning icon at the top right corner of your Amazon. Choose while using the app or only this time and point your tablet's camera at the code. But you can also input this key over here instead and hit this button. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!